Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Let's continue with our MS Word more features. And today we'll be completing our chapter and then we can write the worksheet and get on to our next chapters. I'm excited. Are you people also excited to learn MS Word? As I said, it's very important and a very basic program which everybody, right from your daddy to your offices people, your school teachers, everybody use this MS Word. So it's very important for you people to do it. So next time when your parents are going to type something in the computer, you just say that we will type, you give the notes for us and you can type it very beautifully. Let's get started. Then until our last class, we saw about typing, making alignments, and then we also saw about copy, paste, and all. So today we are going to learn about find and replace. Now, what is find and replace? If you want to search any word in your document at a different location, imagine you have written a document or a paper essay story of like almost 10 to 20 pages. Okay, 10 to 20 pages, and you have written a computer spelling everywhere wrong. Okay, everywhere full your document is about computers and your spelling of computer is only wrong. So it is so difficult to read each and every line and correct the spelling. Yes, do you agree with me? You have to erase, you have to edit, you have to cut, you have to delete, you have to either go backspace and do it, and every single line, and to check all 10 papers with full detail, it is really a difficult job. So for that, to make it more easy, we have one very nice feature in our MS Word, that is find and replace. Find the letter and replace it with the new letter. Correct? Find a word and replace it with the new word. So how do we do that one? Imagine I've just written there's a essay on computers, okay? And I have written it as or misplaced it as or everywhere. So I'll just put my computer, okay? So click the find option in the editing menu under home tab. So okay, it is asking me to click the find. Okay, in the under home tab I have to go to find. Where is my find button? Can you all see? Do you all find it? Okay, here it is under editing. We have something called find, so I have to click on this. Okay, from the drop down list select advanced finding. So click here from the drop down advanced finding. Okay, so my advanced finding is ready. So find the and replace text build box will open. Okay, it has opened. Find the word what in the find what text box. Type the word you want to search. Now click the find next button. The pointer will move to the first occurrence of the word and this one the next occurrence. Okay, children, can you see here? Just concentrate on the screen. Okay, I'll just close this one. In this one, it is, say once more, I'll do it for you. It is telling me home tab, go to editing or then go for click on find. Once the find, this box will open. From here, it is asking me to click the find option, drop down list. From there, you have to click on find advanced finding. So when you do advanced finding, this find and replace box will appear in front of you. Many of your computers will directly give you this box. No problem, it's better. For me, the other option has opened. From there I have to click on this find and replace. For many of you people, once you click on this editing find, this box only will appear, so need not have to worry about it. So what it is telling, find what? So it is asking me what do you want to find from your documents. I am telling I want to find computer. I've written only compute. Okay, so once I do enter, see it has found one computer here. Then I'll say just check whether the spelling is correct. Computer, yeah, this spelling is correct. Find next. Computer, this spelling is correct. Find next. Computer, this spelling is correct. Find next. This is computer. It's a wrong spelling. So from here I can do replace. So here, see children, it is taking me to all the places where my computer spelling is available. Okay. Now what am I supposed to do? I have, let me see. Okay, I did more of findings. Now what next? From advanced finding, once you do it, this will appear. Now replace. Now replacing the test. Now you can replace a particular word after finding it in your document with a new word. And how should we do that one? By doing select replace option from the editing menu from the home tab. But we don't have to go anywhere. Can you see beside find there's a replace button. All right. So directly go there. Find what? Compute. Wherever compute is written, please replace it with computer. Computer. Okay. So here it is compute. Another way is computer. So it will say, now it will start replacing. Find next. So I'll say replace all. So it has replaced all. So wherever my computer spelling was there, see now you can see computer spelling, compute to R it has become. So it is also computer to R. It has given me extra R. So I have to just remove that. So wherever compute was written, it has got changed to computer R, correct? Or simply I'll say computer, instead of computer, I want to write it computers. So again, go here and replace. So I have to go to replace. Wherever computer is written, replace it with computer S. I'll just see, keep seeing computer, first computer is replaced to computer S. Now it has gone to second computer. Click on computer S, replace, 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 replace. See, I am going step by step. So I am going step by step. Each spelling is getting replaced. Or else what are you supposed to do? Replace all. If you do replace all at once, all the spellings get changed. Now everywhere, wherever computer was written, now it has changed to computers. Like the same way, imagine you might have written a wrong name of any of the person. Then you can just add, go for find and replace all your new words. See, otherwise what I had to do, I have to read in this essay on computer, I have to click it computer S. We are going to have to read each and every line and change the spelling there. It will become a big job, right? Now it is only 2 paragraph, we are not able to read it. But if imagine it is a big 10 to 20 pages document, then it is difficult, right? So for that, find the spelling and replace it with the new spelling. Now type the new words in the replace box. We have seen this one, replace all button will change all the spellings at once, or you want to just see each one spellings you want to change, see and change, then you have to click on replace button. Or if you want to add to once you want to change all the spellings, then it has to replace all. Now this is for you people to try out. Whatever I have done it was given in your textbook also. Please type the following, this one, birds in danger. Write this one. Search the word birds in the above paragraph using find and change the word killed in the paragraph with the word slaughtered. So wherever, just firstly to do find, click on find button and put birds. Wherever birds are written, it will show you. Now you have to replace a new word. Wherever killed is written, that killed should be replaced with slaughtered. Do it. Now one interesting things. Children, one thing you should know. Tell me one thing, whenever we write a grammar, it is always told, right? Your first letter of your line should always start with a capital letter. All the nouns should be written in capital, starting with capital letter. All the places name should start with, that is a noun, right? It has to start with a capital letter. Yes or no? Yes. So what are you supposed to do? It has to be all this one. But whenever we type, we forget to do it. So if you want to change the cases, now what is a case? It is not a case of police case, okay? It is a alphabets. You're this one. So you can change the cases of your type text from uppercase, that is uppercase means upper letter, capital letter, lowercase means small letter, or vice versa. Okay, there are 5 different options in the change case dialog box. First, let's read it and then we will practice about it. Sentence case, first letter of the sentence in uppercase, whereas rest in lowercase. Sentence case in the sense, in a sentence, the first letter should always be a capital letter and rest all will be in your lower cases, means lower letters. Now lowercase, all the letters are in lower cases, right? Whatever you want to write should all come in lower cases. There should not be any single letter also in the capital letter. Uppercase, now you want all the letters whatever you have written should be in uppercase, no lowercase. This is called uppercase. Now title case, what do you mean by title case? First letter of each word in the uppercase. Now whatever you have written in your document, okay, all the words first letter should be capital. In sentence case, what it is, only first letter of the sentence is capital. In title case, all the words first letter is in capital. I'll show you how it is. Then toggle case. Imagine by mistake, what do we do is, whatever I have to write in uppercase, I've written in lowercase. Whatever I have to write in lowercase has been written in uppercase. Now I have to keep on sitting and changing it. It is such a difficult job, right? Instead of that, what if I say we have a direct option to do toggle case? So wherein it will get reverse. Whatever was upper becomes lower, whatever is lower becomes uppercase. Now let's see how to do it. To change the cases, select the text whose cases has to be changed. Cases in the letters has to be changed. Click the change case option in font menu under home tab. A drop down list will appear. Select the options you want to click in. So from home tab, here we have options. Then it is asking me to go to click on change case. Now where is the change case options? See here. Can you see 2A? This is my change case. I'll just take my cursor and it will prompt me. See, it has prompt change all the cases, change case. So click a arrow mark here and see sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word is nothing but title case and toggle case. Just see here. Can you see here A? From there you are supposed to use it. So it is, what did it ask me? First I have to select. So okay, I'll do it. This everything is in sentence case, in the sense my sentence are starting with capital. Can you see in I is capital, where is the full stop? Yes, after computers it's a full stop, and after that, after full stop, my sentence is starting, so my T is in capital. So it is in sentence case. Normally children, your computer will be by default in sentence case. Now I'll just try. I will select all. How should I select? Keep my left from here and drag it till the end. Now we'll try. It is in, let me do all lowercase. Now can you see I is become small, T is become small, so all my alphabets are small. It is not in sentence case. Can you see here, it I is small here. Let's try once more. I'll just click it. Now we saw lowercase. Now we'll see uppercase. I'll click again here. I will try uppercase. Can you see now all my letters have become in capital letter, right? Let's try the next one. Capitalize each word. Can you see? Now all the full of my word pad, whatever I've written, everything, all the words first letter is capital. Can you see in this essay on computers, in I is capital, this T is capital, essay E is capital, on O is capital, computer C is capital. We are going to discuss W, A, G, T, D, S. See, for every word, the first letter has become capital, right? This is the title case. Now let's try it again. Select whatever you want to change and we'll try the toggle case. Children, now just concentrate. All my first letter has become capital. Now I'll make, and the other rest part of the word is in a small letter, right? Now we will change it. We will do all the first letter in small letter and rest the word will be in capital. Let's see the change. We'll select the text, toggle case. See. Can you see here? All the first letter has become small letters and the rest has become the capital letters. Now see, computer C is small, OMPUTERS has become capital. This is the ulta pulta case. That is nothing but the toggle. Small will become big, big will become small. But children, this is just to make your computer document a little more attractive or a different, give a twist to your, this one makes it more attractive, correct? But the best way to write is sentence case. Go to here and do sentence case. Now see, this looks more elegant, right? So whenever you're writing something for school or professional or a proper essay, children, make sure you're writing it in a sentence case. In the sentence case, in this, your first letter of your line will be in capital. Any name, nouns will be in the capital letters. So this is also you are supposed to try out. Open the file menu, whichever you have written, right? Birds in danger. So just try to do upper, lower case, toggle case. You will see the changes. So with this chapter, what all we have learned? We have learned to perform any changes in the text in a document. It is necessary to select the text. First, you are supposed to select. How all we have selected? We have selected by dragging the mouse, and plus to select a single word, you have to double click on the word. Or if you want to select the whole document, triple click, the whole document will open. So get selected. If you want to select a single line, bring your cursor to the left of the line, right? And once your cursor eye will change to the arrow mark, just do a single click, the line will get selected. Then we have seen about cut, copy, paste, how to do it. Short form of cut is Control X, short form of copy is Control C, short form of computer keyboard short form of paste is Control plus V. Selected text can be copied to other location using copy and paste option. Replace option is used to change a word with new word. We have seen, right? Find and replace word today. Find the word whichever you want to change and replace it with the new words. If you're thinking that it is a spelling mistake or you have written it by mistake way. And change of the text can be changed using the change case options. With this, we are at the end of our chapter. More features and some more features are there. Children, MS Word is having endless options to make your paperwork more attractive and easy for you people to do it, because for typing in your word, the basic thing is MS Word only. Everybody prefers to use MS Word. So whenever you want to type something, please go and do it in MS Word. We will see more features of editing means changing your styles of writing in your MS Word paper in our next chapter. Until this one, please do practice. Whoever has a computer, I am always requesting you people, whoever is having computer system in your houses, please do practice in your houses and take a picture and send it to me. I'll be more than happy. So until then, bye-bye. I'll be sending the worksheet for you people for this chapter. Please write it in the classwork on also in your textbooks. Bye-bye. Have a happy day.